Another thing maybe not talked about a bunch is I'm here in Kansas at Goodland, Goodman. Where am I at? Goodland, Kansas. Um, on the when you stop the charge, like using a charge point app in this case, if your CarPlay has the feature, if it has the widget or whatever in it, um, you might can see this if you're not listening to the podcast or whatever. But the you can also stop, start, and view your charge on your car navigation. And I think I'm going to do that here now and get on out of here. But it's extremely windy here. So stop charging session. Let this Polestar pull up in here, see if he's not going to be right beside me, so it'll be all right. I don't think so yet. Stop. Contacting the station. Stopped. I heard it click. See if I can get out and not get. This wind's rough, man.
Yeah.
Okay. $20.90 for adding 48. Cancel that. Open up a better route planner. Done charging. I'm already in here. The app. I'll leave this. I think I'll leave the camera running for a little bit, so maybe y'all can see some of this dust. Got 4 cars in there, a Polestar and Marquis and an Ioniq 5, two Ioniq 5s.
The destination is on the right.
Birds even having trouble flying right.
In 500 feet, turn left, then turn left.
Says there's a better route.
Turn left, then turn left.
Let me pull over here just for a second. See what they talking about, because at this point I'm not trying to go anywhere specific, and if it does actually have a better route, then why is it asking me? I think it just asked me the same thing. Yeah, still don't think I'd want to be on a motorcycle.
Turn left.
Okay. Generally speaking, I want to go east.
In 600 feet, turn right to I-70.
Yeah, it was rocking the car, the wind, while I was sitting there charging, but if you hadn't listened to the other episodes or whatever,
Turn
or
right.
I don't actually post them, This is the place right here nearby that there was a pileup a year or so ago. 90 car pileup on I-70, I think, and I believe 20 people were killed. A dust storm. It may not show up on the camera, but if you look off in the distance, a 109 miles, hour and 28 minutes. I hadn't quite put the. Gosh, man, it's wanting to push the car off the road. It's really interesting. I'll obviously have turned over a camper or something before we get too far down the road. Who knows? Okay.